Firstly, that is a lesson 4, the crazy guy. So, at the previous, I'm showing to all about the style, the men's shoes. That's a look like very well. It's a chunky heel, and that is a chunky heel and the big toe, right? Very big toe. I like it. No matter I'm wearing in the working from home or working in the office, I think so everyone will look it's very surprised for everyone. It look like very well 好靚仔大頭大頭同埋個後踭好大嚿very big. The heel seat with the diffuser, right? But the main problem, I didn't get the last. I didn't have the last on hand. So what can I do? What I can do? It's very simple. So we can modify based on the existing last I have before. So in the sketch form, I have the last in there. So you can download in the sketch form all the last in here. So you can download this last and later on, okay? All right? So, okay. And then, so after you download the last, and that is STL file, and we have to convert to the OBJ chop file, and then insert to Fusion 360. And then, so we convert to the T-spline, but this one was difference of the T-spline. The T-spline file is difference of the OBJ code file. You can see the T-spline file I was modifying, especially in the width, this part things. Okay? I mean, we have the convert to the T-spline to modify as request, as a picture, as the sample pictures. So when I'm after modify frame, right? You see, it's very close as the sample pictures. Big toes. Okay, so now I get the new last to matchings of the pictures. Big toes, and also the back part I have to modify. You see original, that is not very big. And then so I modify the back part, and now you can see it's big difference. You see a big difference. Okay, that's a mesh file, and then after modify, it's big difference. And then so I get the new last. To doing the 3D design for new style, I can use that. So now I have to make a sketch. Okay, I make a sketch. To cut the top line shape coming out. But firstly, that's a T-spline file, right? We have to convert to the service file. Okay? Put here. Okay. This one I ignore. Okay? I think 3 degree. 3 degree. It's okay. It's okay. It looks like it says okay, huh? Good. 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 All good. Okay. Okay. Done. And then, so, okay. So now I get the upper. If I happy, add something. So let's two. Okay. Upper. Okay. Does it look like good? And then so we have to design the heel. So we have to drawing the sketch to design the heel. Okay. So heel. Outsole. Okay, we draw the sketch to create the heel, and also we have the top. And we join the outsole. Okay, and create the outsole. See? Okay, overall now, I was complete the upper heel, chunky heel, outsole, but overall the shape and the design is coming out, right? Okay, so I still have to modify, all the minor details. So to make all the minor details. Okay. So later on I will create and all of the minor details. Example like the outsole surface with the pattern, the heels top leaf with the patterns, and some local here or some local here, and the lace and the tons. So I will design and create later on and show you how is the final the style design. You can visit to my website in the top and email to me. I can arrange step by step and face by face and all tutorial for you. Thank you so much for your watch and see you next lesson. Bye bye.